Here's how to open a docx file in the terminal on Mac. First of all, in your terminal, make sure that you're in the same directory where the docx file is that you would like to open up. So, as you can see, we are currently in the downloads folder here in the terminal. And here on the right side we have our Finder window, and we're currently in the same directory here as well, which is downloads. And in there we have a file called color palette docx. So to open up this docx file now via terminal, here's how we do it. In your terminal, simply write open, then write the name of the file. As our file is written in 2 words, we actually have to put this between quotation marks. So I write a quotation mark, then I write the name of the file, including the extension, and at the very end we have to add yet another quotation mark. Now to open up the file, all that is left for us to do is to hit enter. And just like that, our docx file will open up. Now if you just use the command that I just gave you, what happens is that the docx file will be opened up using the default application, which in my case here is Pages. However, if you would like to use another application to open up your docx file via terminal, then you can certainly also do that. Here's how we do it. Once again, write open, space, then write -a, space, then between quotation marks write the application that you would like to use to open up the docx file, then we add another space, and then once again we have to add the exact file name of the file that we would like to open, which again here is obviously color palette.docx, and finally we hit enter. And now indeed the BBEdit application has been used to open up our file, or at least it tried to do so. Because the issue here is simply that I indicated an application to open up the file that is not really capable to open up such a file with such contents. But for example, if I would have Microsoft Word installed on my Mac, then instead of BBEdit, we would have simply written Microsoft Word there and everything would have worked as expected. So I guess you get the idea. And that's it guys. This is how you open up a docx file via terminal on Mac. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more terminal tutorials.